In injury news, rockstar Husqvarna rider Stilez Robertson, number 50, will be missing the rest of the outdoor season with an ankle injury sustained at Spring Creek National. In the second round, he got involved in a multi-rider pileup, and well, apparently he hurt some ligaments and will be going under the knife, so he'll be gone. Quote from him saying, "It really sucks to end the season this way, but I'm going to go under the knife and get these ligaments fixed up. Thanks to the team and everyone in my corner for supporting me in these times." And Rockstar Energy Husqvarna racing team manager said, "It's really unfortunate that Stilez injured his ankle when he got caught up in that major pileup before the restart of the second moto at Spring Creek. He has steadily been improving and looked like he's going to finish this year very strong. I know that he will be doing everything he can do to get back stronger than ever when he heals up." He was running 8th in the points with 169. Obviously, sucks to be injured. He just got his first career 250 podium at round 5, the round before. So it really does suck that, injuries just take somebody completely off the map. But hopefully, everything heals correctly and he'll be back for Supercross and stronger than ever. But in the comments below, tell me, have you been to a motocross event? Are you planning to go? Obviously, all these photos I took at Southwick because I love it. But in the comments below, tell me where you're gonna go or where you've been, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.